What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys the strategy that managed to make me over $600 while it's using it. Yes, this is the strategy. This is how it looks like. So we're going to go through the step-by-step process of installing this strategy, and I'll show you guys how you can use this strategy to make some money while it's trading boom and crash each and every single day. Okay, so if you can practice this strategy daily, you probably yield great results by the end of the month. So this is how the strategy looks like, and as usual, we're going to have a step-by-step process. I'll remove all the indicators that I have on my screen, and we'll start installing them afresh. As you can see, we actually managed to make a withdrawal. So I hope you guys are going to practice this strategy first on your demo accounts and then move on to a real account whilst you are comfortable with the strategy and be able to make some withdrawals too with the strategy. I'll be waiting for the results that you get. You can send them through to me, to my WhatsApp number, to my Instagram, or to my Telegram. So make sure you try this strategy out, guys. It's very simple. If you're new to this channel, we review different trading strategies each and every single day, and we try to improve our trading each and every single day. And if you want to be part of the team, I will leave a link to our Telegram channel. We have over 7,000 traders in that Telegram channel, and you can join for free. You just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to clear up my screen so that we can have some clear charts where we can analyze our markets. I don't know if you guys are still interested in the daily analysis of boom and crash, whereby we look at the market each and every single day. If you guys are interested, please comment interested. If we have 10 people interested, I'll definitely do a daily analysis on boom and crash, whereby we'll be looking at the charts and seeing where we will be going each and every single day. Are we buying? Are we selling? Or is it a consolidation? Are we ranging? All that will be discussed in that daily video. So if you guys are interested, please comment interested and like this video. If we get to 100 likes, I'll definitely be giving you guys some nice setups each and every single day that you can actually follow and trade and also make some money. Okay, if you're in my VIP group, you know we are trading each and every single day, and we want to make money each and every single day. So the first indicator that I want to show you guys, let me first just remove this so that it's not confusing. We'll start off with a blank chart. As you can see, we are on boom 500. We're going to be using our 15-minute time frame to trade with this strategy. So the first indicator that I want to install, I'm going to go to my indicator section. It is going to be a moving average. So this moving average will have the following properties that you see on the screen. We've got a period of 10 or 50, sorry, a shifty of 0. The method is exponential. We have apply to close. For these indicators, there's no need for levels, and the time frame, it can just be an all time frame. What I want to change is the color right here. I'm going to change it to a blue color. Okay, and if I click done, you'll see that I'll have a blue line running across my chart. The next indicator that I want to install is also a moving average, but this time it is going to have a period of 20. Okay, the shift will remain as 0, but the method will change to simple. Apply to close. Again, we don't need to change any levels or the time frames, but what I'll change here is the color. I'll make it black. Okay, and then done. Okay, let me just change the first indicator's color to the same color that we had in the beginning so that you guys don't get confused with the red and black, right, which is right here. The next indicators that we want to add are going to form our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go to my indicators again, main window. Then we're going to look for the stochastic oscillator, and this stochastic oscillator is going to have the settings that you see on my screen: a percentage K period of 10, a percentage D period of 5, a slowing of 5, a price field of low over high, a simple method, and these two levels, which are very crucial, we're going to need a buy zone, which is our level 20, a sell zone, which is our level 80, and a take profit zone and re-entry zone, which is the level 50. Okay, if you click done, now what you really have to pay attention to is your style. We don't want any lines to appear on our charts, therefore the main and the signal should have the same color as your background color. So I have a white background, that's why you see my main and my signal are all white. So if I click on done, all I will have are the levels. Your buy zone, which is level 20, like we mentioned, TP level 50, sell zone level 80. Okay, which is good. And then last but not least, we just need to replicate the same moving averages that we have on our main chart. We want to add them to our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go click at indicator window 1, click on moving average, click on done, because we just want the same moving average with a period of 50. Go back again to my indicator section, click on indicator window 1, click on moving average. This time just change this to 20, change the method to simple, leave apply to close, and change the color to black. Everything else you just leave it as it is. Okay, so if you click on done, you see that we will now have the indicators installed. Okay, we now have the full indicators installed. Now what's left is basically for you to know and understand the conditions that have to be met whenever you want to trade with this strategy. But before we get into all that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that I will notify you the next time I post a video like this. And remember, if we reach 100 likes, we're going to be doing daily analysis on boom and crash, basically daily setups and signals right here on this YouTube channel. So also make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss the signals that I'll be sending here. Okay, please make sure you have commented down below, and if you want to join our Telegram channel, it's completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below and you'll be able to join. We have over 7,000 traders in there. We're almost at 8,000 traders in there, so it's a really good community for you. Plus you'll be able to see my trading results daily, my student trading results daily, some of the services that we offer like signals, mentorship, and account management. You'll be able to see all their results from the beginning of the year, all the stuff that we posted even before you were in that Telegram channel. You'll be able to see all of that. So it's pretty much great for you to check us out. Like I said, it's completely free. Just click the link and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel. Okay, and also we have a TikTok channel where we post some of our strategies. I'll leave the link in the description box below that you can check out quickly. Okay, with that said, let's move to how to actually use this strategy. Now this strategy is a trend strategy, which means that most of the time you're just trying to catch the trend and ride on it up until it's over. This is going to give you the opportunity to get as many pips as possible, and to be you are going to reduce your risk because you're going to be only aiming to enter into a trade whenever there is an opportunity, and you're not going to force any trades, which is very good. Now I want to start off with explaining buy setups. Remember, with this side you can do both going against spikes and going in line with which is spike catching. Just depends with what the strategy is telling you. But what I have right now is crash 500. We are in our 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to share with you guys how I actually enter into a trade, or how I come up into a buy trade. This is the first thing that I look at. I want to see my red and black line here approaching my buy zone and reaching my buy level. Okay, that's the first side. The second thing is I want to see my candlesticks crossing these two lines, the black and the red, completely. So if I see that we are in a buy zone and my candlesticks are crossing my red lines on my main chart, that's the second condition. The last and final condition is when you want to enter a buy trade, always make sure that the black line is above the red line. So you also have to wait for the black line to cross and be above that black line. Once that is set, I would enter a buy trade which is somewhere around this region. And as you can see, quite actually trade the whole setup all the way up. I'll explain on take profit, but already you can see that we have a take profit level here whenever you see these lines reaching this level, or you can just use the strategy in reverse whenever you see the lines reaching a sell zone. When you're in a buy, obviously means that the momentum of a buy is about to end, so probably you have to exit. Okay, let's look at another setup for a buy so that you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about. Number one, we said we want to have those lines reaching our buy zone. Number two, we want to have a complete cross of candlesticks going above all the lines, the red and the black. And number three, we want to have this black line cross to be above. Okay, that final red black line cross to be above the red line is our final tip or alert for a buy trade. So once all those three has been formed, you can safely enter into a buy. Let me show you the problem with not following all instructions. You might actually get false trades or false signals, which is not good. Okay, same thing if you want to catch some spikes or sell on crash or boom. Remember, this strategy works for all boom and crash indices, be it boom 500, boom 300, crash 500, crash 300. All of that, they all fall under this strategy. Same concept. This time it's just the opposite. You want to have the lines obviously on your sell zone, and you want to have lines crossing to be below the red and black line, and of course you want the black line this time to be below your red line, signifying a proper sell scenario. And as you can see, the market dropped all the way down. Can you see that this strategy only gives you trades in line with the trend? Okay, it doesn't give you those short scalping trades, but it gives you the long trades that you can actually enter into. So you actually have to have that in mind, that this entry might not give me profit right now, might not give me profit in the next hour, but it will eventually give me deep profits. Now, the other thing that you can do to maximize on your profits is to also set peak levels. Of course, once you realize that you've crossed, you can actually mark that region as a peak and can actually act as your stop loss. So the moment you see your price going below that region, of course you are going to try and exit because it's breaking your previous low, which is a peak. So you actually have to exit that one. Same thing even if you're on boom. You can see that same concept applies. You still catch the same swing trades and the same trades. All you have to do is to pay attention and not rush these conditions. Make sure you have these conditions in mind. Let me explain what was happening here. We are in our buy zone. We see our candlesticks crossing all, and we also see the black line trying to cross to be above. It actually crossed and went above, but it retraced, and of course we had our peak down here. And can you see what happened? Price came back down and bounced exactly on our peak that I was saying. You can actually mark it out so that you see. So once you see that prices surpassed your peak, you can actually exit that trade. But before that, someone will actually see the proper W formation that is being given by this strategy. This is when your price action comes into play. And if you don't understand price action, make sure you join my mentorship class, whereby we will teach you these market patterns and tricks, so that you'll be able to make a little bit of money as well while list trading. So if you guys really enjoy this video, please like this video. Like I said, if we have 100 likes, I'm definitely going to do a daily market analysis here, whereby everyone can watch and trade with me in real time. So until next time, goodbye.